A cold, chilly evening to everyone. Welcome to another event of Rising Stars, brought to you by Car1 Strikers. This is, let's talk about it later. But talking about Car1 Strikers in general, in first, starting with the club which began in the year 2007. You know, the gentleman who began this club was Babar Iqbal. He started off by giving chances to the domestic talents out here. Everyone knew where Car1 Strikers began from, playing cricket on cement grounds in Hamria, moving on to turf, delivering, and then developing the talent within the team and searching for more talents outside. And for that particular purpose, I think one of its kind tournaments which has been organized by the Rising Star Committee was the first tournament, that was the T20 edition of Rising Star T20, wherein the team Lions, standing out in yellow today, they won the tournament. The second edition, which gave us the 25-over format to give more chances to the players, to get them more overs to perform, was a T25 edition, and the champions of that were Team Tigers. And unfortunately, Team Wolves losing on both the occasion in the finals, and Panthers, who are playing in today as well in this edition of the F40, wherein Panthers had finished at the end, at the bottom of the table in both the editions. Wolves were runner-up in both the editions. So let me ask an open-ended question out here to both the teams who are playing today. Panthers, can you do it this time? Can you do it this time? Wolves, can you break the jinx? Wolves? Inshallah. Let's hope for it. In the F40, this edition is a 40-over format edition. I think everyone will be delighted to play this because they will have enough opportunities to showcase their talent, to express themselves, and to face the challenges that will come out in this tournament. So a very, very interesting and challenging format here coming in for all the youngsters out here. And the main motive behind getting all these youngsters with a blend of seniors as well is to promote cricket. That is the main thing. So a round of applause for the Rising Star Committee for getting us this opportunity for all the kids and for all the players of Car1 Strikers. The teams that are participating in this F40 edition, there is an addition in the team. There is a fifth team coming in place, Team Hawks, which will be led by Furqan Khalil. A round of applause for the new entrant. Followed by Team Panthers, which will be led by a three-dimensional captain, Nadir Hussain. Well, I say three-dimensional is because he can fit into any age group. With his height, he can play under 16. If he wears his cap, he can play the senior normal level cricket. And then if he removes his hat, he can play the veteran cricket as well. So that's Nadir Hussain for you, the smiling assassin. Then comes the man with the fluctuating blood pressure, Jiju Janardhanan, the captain of Wolves. Where is Jiju? Then we are missing the legend Ali Khan as well, who will be leading Team Lions. We have the representative of Team Lions out here. And then Team Tigers, the winners of the previous edition, will be led by none other than Babar Iqbal. So a round of applause for all the 5 teams. And to make this happen, I would like to give credit to all the members of the committee who have given in their heart and soul and their time in and out, starting with Rizwan Arshad. A round of applause for him. We know how hard he works. Ahsan Zahir, the coach of Team Tigers. Then Mohsen Bhai as well, for that matter. We're missing Sunil Rana. And none other than we have Zubair Sheikh as well. You know, the man who has been standing as a pillar here for the Rising Star Committee. And to make things interesting for all the players out here, what Car1 Strikers again they have done is they have ensured that the cash prizes are there for all the players, provided you perform. So that's one of the criterias. So for the batsman, for every half century you get a 100 dirham cash prize. In every game, for 100 you get a 200 dirham cash prize. Bowlers, you pick up 3 wickets, you get 50 dirham cash, 100 dirham cash prize. You pick up 5, you get a 200 dirham cash prize. For all the fielders, 3 dismissals, you get a 100 dirham cash prize, followed by a 5 dismissal, you get a 200 dirham cash prize. And every man of the match, this is a big one, guys. Every man of the match, he gets a 500 dirham cash prize as well. So I think this is something which is going to entice all of you to perform and to get to that man of the match award. And this time there is a winner and a runner-up cash prize as well for the first time. Runner-up gets 2,500 dirhams and winners get 5,000 dirhams. Well, and to all those who are not aware, who are not a part of the trials, there were 177 players who came in for the trials, out of which 85 were selected in 5 different teams, and it is purely based on merit and how you performed during the trial. So I'm sure the guys present out here and those who are not and part of the teams, they will probably be backing themselves, because the first hurdle was taken up, was passed by you guys itself, and then it's all on the big stage wherein you have to come and deliver. So once again, a round of applause to the committee who have given their time and given us the opportunity to express ourselves. I would request Babar Iqbal to please address us with few words.
गुड इवनिंग सबको मेरी तरफ से. थैंक यू, आप लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया यार. वैसे आपको मुझे थैंक यू करना चाहिए, बट मैं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे थैंक यू सबका, कि आप लोगों ने टाइम निकाला, हमारे लिए खेलेंगे और परफॉर्म करेंगे. और कुछ लड़के हैं मेरी नज़र में जो आई थिंक पहले एडिशन में आए थे, ट्रायल्स दिया था, उनका चांस नहीं बना था, तो बट अब वो हमारे इस इवेंट में है, तो इसका मतलब उन्होंने काफ़ी मेहनत की है कि वो इस काबिल बने कि वो आज हमारे यहाँ पे सामने खड़े हुए हैं माशाल्लाह से. ठीक है. और दूसरा मैं यहाँ पे ये मेंशन करूँगा कि इस दफ़ा हमारा पूरा प्लान है कि यंगस्टर्स जितने हैं जो मिसिंग हुए थे, वो उनको पूरा मौका मिलना चाहिए, फुल ऑन मौका मिलना चाहिए. और मैं जितने भी कैप्टन हैं और कोचेस से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि यार वो पुश करें यंगस्टर्स को ज़्यादा, ताकि वो आगे आए और हमारा नाम रोशन करें, अपने घर वालों का नाम रोशन करें और प्राउड फील करवाएं हमें. सर इतना ही.
Thank you very much, Babar Bhai, for your kind words. I would now request all the team captains to please come forward on the stage, and then we'll wrap this up. You can wait. Starting with Furqan from Team Hawks. Furqan, few words from you.
स्पेशली थैंक्स टू कारवान एंड बाबर भाई, जिन्होंने इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी सब यंगस्टर्स को, और मैं गुड लक कहता हूँ सारे यंगस्टर्स को. और सीनियर्स भी हैं 5-5 हर टीम में, तो अच्छा एक मुकाबला होगा और मज़ा आएगा इस टूर्नामेंट में इंशाल्लाह.
Thank you very much. Ali is not present out here. I'd request Fahad to please come forward.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया बाबर भाई, पहले तो इतना अच्छा टूर्नामेंट करने के लिए, और एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है हर लड़के के लिए कि यहाँ परफॉर्म करे और आगे आए अच्छी टीमों के लिए. तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ऐसे टूर्नामेंट खेलने के लिए, और बेस्ट ऑफ लक सबके लिए.
Thank you very much, Fahad. I now request Jiju to please come forward. Jiju from Team Wolves.
Hi, good evening everyone. I just like to wish everyone good luck for the tournament, and because it's a long version tournament which is one of a kind here, I wish all the best to everyone. May this tournament succeed.
Well, Jiju, I have a question for you. How have you managed to control your anger on the field? Because the Jiju that we saw 3 years before was completely different than what we see today. Trying to calm yourself down every moment you get an opportunity to express yourself, but you have calmed yourself down. What is the secret behind that?
A lot of yoga, yaar.
So, next, finally, Nadir Hussain. थोड़ा उस तरफ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम और थैंक यू बाबर भाई और कमेटी. और ये एक अच्छा मौका है यंगस्टर्स के लिए और सीनियर्स के लिए भी. एक बड़ा फॉर्मेट है 40 ओवर्स का. इससे पहले 20 ओवर हुआ, 25 ओवर हुआ और कमेटी ने अच्छी मेहनत की है. इसके लिए और चांस देने के लिए 40 ओवर किया है. तो ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल द प्लेयर्स एंड थैंक यू बाबर भाई एंड कमेटी.
So these were the captains and they have been mentored by some experienced coaches out here, starting with Team Hawks, which will be mentored by a former UAE player, Mr. Shahzad Altaf. Round of applause. Babar Iqbal once again trusting his previous coach, Ehsan Zahir, will be coaching Team Tigers once again. And Fahd Al Hashmi, who likes challenges, will be coaching Team Lions once again. Team Wolves will be backed by experience of Afzal Khan. And Team Panthers will be coached by Mr. Rashid Mohammed. So these are the gentlemen who will be working in and out with the team and the captains. And before we wrap this up, I would request the captains to please come forward for a picture with the trophy that you guys will be fighting for. Thank you very much. Babar bhai, I would request you to please stay back for the cake cutting ceremony. And finally, a lot of credit should be given to Mr. Thakur for providing us this facility to host this event, without which I think we wouldn't have been standing here and talking about all this, the event specifically. And talk about the officials as well. The game that will be happening today between Panthers and Wolves. Mr. Tehseen and Mr. Waqar will be officiating the game, along with the Rising Star scorer, that is Shayan, and the match referee, Mr. Mohsen. So these are the officials for today. I request Babar bhai to please come forward for the cake cutting ceremony along with our guest, Mr. Thakur. Coaches, please come forward. मैं पिछले 3 दिन से फादी भाई ने क्या बोला देखा? फादी भाई ने क्या बोला? क्या बोला? एक मिनट क्या बोला? केक स्टार नजर आ रहा है, उसके ऊपर बैठ जा. On count of 3. You have the knife? हो गया, कट हो गया. Guys, a round of applause for everyone for giving in your time, your support. and your enthusiasm towards cricket?